This is no joke, guys. You can get an expert over here for $60 on this site to write an article for 3,000 words. And what's that going to be worth to you? Well, people are willing to pay over $750. That's a $690 profit. I'm going to show you everything in this video with so many free bonuses. Let's get into it. The first site that I want to introduce you to today, guys, is SEO Clerks, and I can promise you, I'm going to show you how you can use this site today to make so much money online. The second site that I want to show you guys is this one over here, but I'm going to blur it out because this is the bonus. This is the kicker where you're going to be able to make so much money online. But if you come back over to SEO Clerks, the first thing that you want to do is you want to come over to here and you want to click the join button and you want to sign up for this site. Very, very simple, guys. Just go over here and enter in all your details, okay? Once you do that, go back onto the home page, and then what I want you to do over here is just enter in article, okay? So just type in article. Once you type in article, it's going to bring in all these people here that are willing to write articles for you. And you're not going to believe how much people will actually charge to write some of these articles. Okay, there are people that are willing to write articles for $20, for $15, for $2. You can see here, get one article 400 plus words for $4. Okay, and what does this mean to you and how are you going to make money online with this? Well, I'm going to show you in a second, but before I do that, I just want to make sure to let you guys know that obviously this is the Smart Money Tactics channel, and if you want to get videos like this, step-by-step tutorials, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell identification icon, because I come out with daily content so that you don't miss out on any of the good stuff. With that being said, let's continue with this video. So after you sign up here, you can see here that you can get all these different articles. Well, I'm going to show you in this video how people pay other people hundreds of dollars for this simple content that you can get somebody for $500, $600, $700, $800 to do. But there's a trick to this, guys. With freelancer.com, okay, you can get jobs on this site. It's a freelancing website where you can go and bid for work. But there's a problem with this. When you're starting out, it's not easy to get these jobs, okay? As you can see, when you come over here and you type in article writer, if you go to browse and you search for different articles, when you scroll down, you can see these amazing amounts, okay, guys, $250, $250, and they're very appealing. It's awesome that somebody can go out there and get these different $300 to $5,000 jobs. But how are you going to get those jobs? So I've done some research for you to help you get these jobs, okay, guys, so that then you can go onto this other special bonus website, which I'm going to show you in this video, so that you can get this content written so that you can make money online in 2020. So the first tip that I'm going to give you today, guys, what you want to do is you want to go onto a site called freelancersunion.org, and basically what I did is I typed in how to get gigs on freelancer.com. How are you going to stand out? And you won't believe the number one tip that I found, which is the easiest on there. I'm going to show you exactly what that is. So 8 ways freelancers can stand out from their competitors and get more clients. And the number one tip, guys, is to build your profile. Okay, if you're starting out on freelancer.com, if you're starting out on peopleperhour.com, or any one of those different sites, if you don't have any experience yet, you need to build your profile, okay? And what that looks like over here, let me just go to my profile. So all I did is I went up here and I clicked onto view profile, and this is my profile, okay? I haven't even built mine out yet because I don't really use this to make money online, okay? I use a couple of other freelancing sites, but I like Freelancer. It's a fantastic site. So what you want to do when you get on here is you want to get on here and you want to edit your profile. And when you're starting out and you don't have any experience, or you're looking to build up your experience, you need to say stuff like you're going to have your team that's going to do this for you. And a tip that I'm going to give you, okay, is when I show you this bonus website in a second, you can go there and you can ask these people for different types of articles that they can give you as an example of their work that you can use on your gig over here, because they're going to be the same people that you're going to use to make money online. So what is this strategy and how can we use this to make money online? So the first step you need to do is get onto Freelancer, sign up and set up your gig so that you can start bidding for this work to make sure that you can finally win a job to start building your profile and make money online. So what you want to do is you want to get onto Freelancer, okay? You want to get over here and you want to type in article writer once you've set up your gig and once you've set up your profile. You come over here and you can see there's all these different I need a writer between $30 and $250, 3 articles to analyze basic. You scroll down here and you can see there's all these different people that need talented writers, that need different types of publications written. So you can come over here, you can type in article writer, or you can just type in article, okay guys? And once you type in article, again, it's going to give you all these different types of articles that people need written. And you can have some for $250. There are some that are charging $21, again, $250. And if you go over here and you click into this one, like this one, I need a writer for pet related news articles. So you click onto this, you're going to see that there's a number of bids that people have bidded on this article. And in order for yourself to bid, you need to come over here, you need to have a look to see what type of content do they need, what skills are they after, and most importantly, do they want an experienced person, intermediate person, etc. Then what you can do is you can come over to the first site that I spoke about, which is SEO Clerks. Okay, you sign up, you come over here, you type in article, and you can scroll down. If they want a basic article, if they want a beginner to create this article so that you can make money online, then you can quite simply come down here and hire any one of these different people that will do these $300 to $500 articles for $20, $4, $5, $25, etc. Okay, and you can just hire someone on here and get the job done for you. But now I want to show you this bonus site. This is an unbelievable site where you can go to make money online with professional writers, okay guys? And the site that we're talking about today is called hirewriters.com. And as you can see here, hirewriters.com hire quality writers to write articles and other content for your website. Guys, you can make a lot of money with this. Make no mistake about that. I'm going to show you that in a second. If you come back over to, let's just have a look over here. So this was a $250 gig, but if we come over to here and find one of these other gigs, 3 articles, $325. Okay, let's use this example over here for $325. Okay, if I bring up my calculator, so it's $325. Let's leave that there. Let's come back over to hire a writer, and let's say we want to hire the best writers out there. So you come over to here, you click onto pricing, and you can see here that article over here that this person wanted written, I believe is, let's have a look at this and see exactly what they want done and how much it's going to cost. And then you're going to determine exactly what you want done. So here they want 2,000 words, okay guys, and they're happy to pay 250 Great British Pounds. Okay, so it's about 350, whatever it was, $125. So it's a lot of money that you can make online. So 2,000 word article. So you come back over to here, and as you can see, for a $1,000 to $2,000 article for an expert, so if they want 2,000, you can get that done for $32.40. Okay, guys. So if we come over to here, let's say that we just want to give great quality, we want to do the best, and we're going to hire the best expert writers. We're going to go over here and we're going to minus this $60. Okay, guys. For one article, you can make $265 utilizing this site. This can be done, guys, but most important thing that you need to do is you need to make sure that you build out your profile so that you can make this money online. Okay, guys, it's a form of retail arbitrage where you're buying, something for low and you're selling for high. And the reason why people don't do this themselves is they quite simply just don't know. And you can get this done for them. And I promise you, once you get 1 or 2 gigs, which you will 100%, if you keep going out there and you keep posting, you will, and keep bidding, you will get some of these jobs online. And you don't have to start with the most expensive ones, guys. Start off with some of the more cheaper gigs. Okay, you can come over here and you can search for gigs that are a lot less. Okay, search for the $30 gigs where they don't want anything too much. Search for ones that are $100. If you come over here, you can see there is literally pages of this stuff. Okay, and when you come over here, you can see for smaller types of gigs, you can hire a writer to write a 300 to 500 article for $13, and people are willing to pay $125. Once you get some gigs, some of these gigs pay month in, month out. They want writers every single month, and you can quite simply get these guys to write that for you, and you continue to make money online. I would ask these writers to give you a sample of what they're writing, so then you can go and promote that and say, this is the level of quality that I'm going to deliver you with the writers that I have working for me, because you can get, these guys will be working for you. You're going to be hiring them so that you can make money online. And Freelancer is just one site, guys. You can come over and you can do exactly the same on people per hour, Okay guys, you can set up a gig for yourself on people per hour. You can do this over here. The other one that you can obviously do is you can, once you come over here and you test this out on people per hour, you can come over and you can test this out on Upwork as well, okay? Because at the end of the day, you're gonna be providing good quality writing content, okay? And you're gonna do this to make money online. Quite simply, do this and work from home. This site is a goldmine, guys. You can get quality writers from this site and you can make money online starting tomorrow, okay? All you need to do is start winning these jobs on Freelancer, on people per hour, on Upwork, test out Fiverr, go out on different social media platforms and try and find someone that's literally that's asking for different types of writers. There is so much work out there for writers, and all you need to do is find a site like this and then you can utilize that to make money online, okay guys? So if you enjoyed this strategy, guys, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, and as always, don't forget to smash that like button. Leave me a comment, let me know what you're from. Just comment, I got to the end, Alan, I loved your video, and I'll be so happy, guys, because I obviously want to know how much of you guys are watching my videos to the end. But as always, I'm gonna have a couple of videos that are gonna pop up here. Feel free to check those out, guys, of more strategies that you can make money online. Until tomorrow, you guys stay safe and goodbye.